Hello, in this video we will solve a trig word problem. We have a tower that is 128 feet tall, casts a shadow that is 159 feet long, and we need to find the angle of elevation of the sun to the nearest degree. So let's assume we have a horizontal ground. Here would be our perpendicular tower, and let's have a shadow here. So we have our sun. So we know that our tower is 128 feet tall. We have a shadow that is 159 feet, and we are looking for the angle of elevation of the sun, which is this. We need to decide which trig function to use, so let's sort what we have. We have angle theta, we have the measure of the adjacent side of 159 feet. We also know 128 feet is the height of the tower and its opposite side to theta. And we know that tangent function of angle theta is using the ratio of opposite side to the adjacent side. And now we can substitute and solve. So we have tangent theta is equal to the measure of the opposite side to angle theta is 128 feet out of the measure of the adjacent side is 159 feet. Feet and feet will cancel, which is good. So now we have tangent of theta is equal to 128 out of 159. We need to find the angle of the elevation, which means we need to solve for this theta. And in order to get rid of the tangent function, we need to do tangent inverse. So tangent with -1 in the upper right corner of tangent of theta will get the theta from inside of that function. But whatever we do to one side of the equal sign, we need to do the same thing to the other side. So tangent -1 of 128 out of 159. So theta is equal to tangent inverse of 128 out of 159. On your calculator, make sure that you get tangent with the -1 in the upper right corner, because otherwise you're just using regular tangent function that calculates sides, and you want to use the inverse of tangent because that calculates the angles of the ratio of 128 divided by 159. My calculator is in degree mode and I got 38.835158.22. Problem is asking me to round the answer to the nearest degree, so we'll be rounding off to this decimal place. You want to take a look at the number to the right of it. If it's 5 or more, we need to add 1 to our round off place. Since 8 is more than 5, I need to add 1 to my rounding off place. So my solution will be 38 plus 1. 39 is rounded off answer to the nearest whole degree. So I get theta is equal to 39 degrees. Angle of elevation is 39 degrees. That's all.